Boss Mel. Ganyan na Boss Mel ah.
Dilim ka eh.
Boss. Dilim pa no?
Dilim pa. Boss Ja.
Ay. Boss, kailangan na may pang-boss.
Kailangan yung inhaler.
Kailangan inhaler.
Inhaler, boss. Ano rate mo, boss? 1,000 out of 10. Magaling yung ride. Pag-practice araw-araw.
Magbablog na. Si Mark. Camera.
Mabango siya eh, no? Mukhang mabango. Eh, no, napakabango niya, no? Yung pinakamabango sa lahat eh. Taka sila pang amoy Papi Chulo talaga, no?
Oo.
Amoy mo yan, malilibog.
Sa
Dito ba yan, Pete? Itapat mo doon sa kabila. Saglit lang, mga 2 segundo lang sa kabila. Ayan.
yeah.
Ito may mga dudurugin nila Giant pag ganyan. Totoo sa isa pa, sa isa pa.
Isa pa?
Oo, sa isa pa. 2 segundo.
Eh, grabe kong mahura Boss Mel ah.
Chicken sila.
Ayun si Nat, no? Lonely.
Dali na, markeran kita na.
Saan tayo, boss Ja?
Photoshoot daw. Tapos ano, interviewin si Mojan.
Ako, si Nathaniel.
Yo bro, it's Mojer.
Hello, my name is Federico and my in-game name is Papi Chula. The message that I want to say to the early tips is, now's the time.
Boss.
Boss.
Ano boss?
Ano, boss? Naganap.
Ano kami? Ito tayo sa ano ngayon? Media Day. Excited ka na ba mapicturean?
Hindi naman ako sali dun, boss.
Ah, di ka ba asali? Sorry.
Pala ba kami ni Jen? Kala namin ba yan?
Sir, mamaya na lang sir. Excited ka na ba sa shoot natin, boss?
Excited na.
Excited. Ikaw yung tinanong, hindi yung player. Ikaw yung interview ko eh. No? Yung camera pa yung interview, hindi yung ano, yung player eh. Bango nito eh.
Dek, pakis nga. Dili. Ito si Nat. Gusto ko kiss to si Nat eh.
Kumugulo. Ang init naman agad.
Ang init ng ulo eh, no?
Idol eh, no?
Nat, Nat.
Ay!
na, Jer.
Ate
Pinaso
HD.
yung trabaho sa Jer.
Yun, no?
Ang bango mo? Ano yung pabango mo, boss? Diyan mag-vlog ka. Uy!
Ay,
Yun, nag-green na. Baka pagka-green tanggal agad.
Galing mo na pumunta ka na dito, no?
The best boot camp in the country. Uy, ano to? Tangina.
Luwati.
Lakasan mo!
Uy, si Mojer! Dati ka pa palang kupa.
Ang ina mo!
Saan na tayo from Muros?
Last boss.
Kanat.
Hindi na kayo ng tuhod ko. Ilang palapag yan, boss? Bilang mo ba?
Ha?
Ilang palapag?
Parang pito eh.
Pag.
So we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff for this first one.
Just stand naturally and just like be nice, be cool, and like that, and just like look into the camera.
And rolling.
Right, ready? Okay. Action. Galing ni Idol na nakatapat sa electric fan, no?
Asan?
Hindi kasi, dun sa taas mahangin
Oo, parang ganito yan. Parang ganyan sa taas.
Trip eh, puta ka na tumatakbo eh.
Ay!
Go.
Sabi ni Ate HG reminder to be on standby daw. For the next 5 to 5.
I'm the creative director for NAOS. This is Mel, my huge sugar.
That's my sugar.
Sorry.
Pakita mo ate. Puso din lang yan! Magugat nga eh.
Kaya ako, pakita ang GNS talaga. Lulupitan ko talaga.
Oo, nagtita mo like panis niya, no? Ang na ng panis, papak ko. Sa unang tanong lang, laglag na ako eh.
Uy!
Ayun, boss. Grabe yun, no? Grabe yun, no? Tingnan mo.
Hindi ko tagpa mo sa'yo. Nakasama yun.
Shortcut yun, shortcut. O yun, tapos
Wala
ang
ka
mag-fix.
sa
Uy, Mark, mo. Ano yun?
And then,
Mukhang
Ratbus smoke stop.
Kanan mo pa.
abante mo.
Abante ka pa.
Munat ba't kanan? Dapat kaliwa kasi yun yung may pader eh. So,
So one of you goes super late. Like, stop worrying about it.
Nasa A tayo, tapos wala tayong util. Kunyari, wala pa tayong
Alright, rest of luck to you guys. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck. No technical difficulty.
Anong ganap? Okay naman, ready lang sa standby lang for the game. Tapos lahat ng map sakto. Bakbang to. Okay naman sila competitor. Masaya sila kalaban.
tignan mo yung sapatos niya.
Lapit yan, boss dyan.
Ha?
Lapit yan ah.
Kapit talaga to.
Ready na.
It's just gonna be Boom continuing to walk onto the site. As he hears those footsteps from behind, able to spray down onto a Scott. Now looking for the next one, but Dizzy out. He just needs to block it out of the dark cover. The Chulo tries to play around the smokes, but unfortunately we will not. Good sensibility. He's been good at holding a lot of these angles as well. So just trying to defend his lockdown for now. Trying to defend the other side, playing around Waterfall. He heard the TP, spots the cape, and calls it out to Emmett. Even though the Odin was here, it's Jaw coming back into the fray. Pre-aimed swing. It's going to be down to Shiro swinging out against it. 10 seconds and the spike goes down. Berserks tries to play out the same spot. Spotted out by Jaw instead. The green light for Famous to start that flank. Oh, and then the Viper's Pit. Can you believe this, Bilski? Berserks sprays on through. And Emmett just throws in a last ditch effort. It's all for
Ikaw, importante
Stant ngayon, ano yung tingin natin sa games kanina. So, isa-isa muna. Sige, simulan mo muna dyan. Ikaw muna.
Parang hindi lang talaga ako tumatama kanina. Parang di ako makakuha ng momentum. Masyado tayo nagbibigay ng space ako dapat. Parang tayong takot mag-take ng space.
Okay.
Para sa akin. Parang nakakasakal maglaro.
I think like there's lots of times where we'll take pressure and then everything cut noise and then we take too long to go do the other thing.
So, yun ang i-workout natin as a team sa upcoming practice, ha?
I have a message from my wife who watched the game. Seems like you lost rather than them being better. It was on us today. We weren't our best. That's good. That's good. I'd rather be in this position than we played our best and just couldn't win. You know what I mean?
Yeah, ilang boys. Okay, pabitin na yung gamit nyo, tapos
Chins up. Chin up.
Bukas pala may Zoe shoot pa rin yung 12 p.m.
Sige, sir.
And there is
400 hertz. Kita na yung pawis ng agent. Mas temporary.
Ganda, boss. Solid. May ano lang, konting difference pero solid. Dapat nagka-tremor yung kamay. Pag pag nag-display ka yun. Hindi ko tumatama, di ba? Di ba? Tumatama agad, boss. Joke lang guys, ha? Biyahe. Joke lang. Yung iba nag-arena, pag gano'n, ako.
Just casual.
Mga ganun pa no? Kala mo talaga no? Uy! Dali naman ganito lang guys, Okay, alis na ako. Yung gagawin ka pa. Para kang tanga na. Joke lang. Solid to monitor na to. Tingnan mo na kasi, yung bend, di mo na kailangan mag-mount. Diba?
Very happy. Dream come true. That's all? That's all. Okay. okay. Thank you. It's just a small gift for you. It's Taiwanese pineapple cake.
Yeah.
And it's for the team. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time with us. Thank you.
La!
Send mo yung sound
Baliktad yung utak mo.
Floating out boy.
Ben,
May kaliwa
ay kaliwa.
flash, Bibigyan ko sa inyo. Wala na, nag-flash siya na.
Alright, pull this card here really quick.
Siguro dati tinatrash talk mo, bano to? Pasukin natin to, bano to? Na? Bravo ka. Loka dish kaya. Uy, layo ng TV, no? Dito. Sabi nga yan, ayun o. Ayun o, 1 Bisit na ako dyan. Uy! Ay!
Chamber ni Joe, chamber ni Nat.
Chamber nilang parehas.
Ay, mamili, no?
Hindi isa lang.
Dari ka naka-record.
Chamber ni ano, Papi Chulo.
Uy, Tom, gusto ko yun.
Jet ni Mojer o jet ni ano?
Jetty Mojer. Jet nilang parehas.
Race ko, race ni Ja.
Race yung parehas.
Alaga siya o. Sinungaling ito Ja.
Sinungaling, sabihin mo lang. Tangin lang.
So, Oblivion Force. Focus tayo sa fundamentals. Ayoko tayong maglaro na parang may takot tayo tapos wala tayong nagawa. Okay? Ayan boys, ito na yun. Malagpasan lang natin to, tuloy-tuloy na to. Isipin nyo yung 7 months na pinaghirapan natin dito. Ang kailangan natin application, di ba? Okay, game! Day 2! Franchise! Nos!
Women's high tide was forced out earlier from the contact before. They're pushing up front now, which is a little bit dangerous. Unfortunately, Jack, one gets punished. Evan tries to hold the off angle. Good for 2, good for 3. We're all interested to see what Coconut has in store for us after Deadlock. He does have the utility, but Ja, back in full form, able to shut all of them down. Nalos able to pick things up right at the get-go. Nexi kind of evades it by hiding inside the corner. High Tide able to provide a little bit more cover, but look at this. 4-man it's all down to Uta. He's made himself known all the way from mid, and Poppy Chula will be the one to take him down for the ace. Now, what a way to close out this first half. Onto the site. Now, taking a little bit more space, coming out, trying to fight back with the guns that they thought. Nexi onto the Guardian. Snaps on mid-air into Uta. So now it's all down to Modric. Critical point for him to hold down this angle. He makes it happen. The triple.
There we go. Nice. Finally a win.
Ayan, boss. Boss, laundry. After ng match, no? Laundry mo.
Bang mo tayo, pang turbuhan. Yung mabangon niya kasi pang anuhan, pang bombahan. Eh, napag-inamoy mo eh, nilibog.